Yeah. Look at that bird. Look, that little bird. He has no wings. It's a baby bird. Who did that? Baerli. Did you kill that bird? Baerli. Baerli, you better shut your mouth. Did you kill that? Baerli, come here. Come here. Look at that. Did you kill that bird? Right there. Baerli, did you kill that bird? Yeah, who has to pick it up now? Mommy. I always have to do it. Who killed the bird? Who killed the bird? Yeah, Baerli's pointing. I think Baerli, you killed the bird. Baerli? Baerli? Yeah, you killed the bird. I think you did. And look at it. Jerk. You killed a bird. You know you did it. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Dumbass.